Yeah, look, we called it early. We called it like a year ago and said, hey, there's a bit of a tough time coming because we overinvested in inventory. We knew that you can avoid reality, but you can't avoid the consequences of avoiding reality. So the last year has been, doing what we said we'll do, which is some heavy discounting, unsustainable discounting, but we've more than halved our inventory base. And, we're pleased to report this morning that we've returned to profitability for January. I know it's just 1 month, it's not a trend yet, but in terms of executing our strategy, we're doing exactly what we said we'll do.
Ruslan, when do you see that you might be in a position to resume the dividend payout?
Well, we've got a very strong balance sheet at the moment. So we're, as a business, always evaluating, our capital management and whatever's necessary to drive long-term shareholder value. So, we would want to see some stable trading and then make decisions around our capital management.
There are naturally some things that you can control, whether it's capital management or cost streamlining, but there are some things that are completely out of your control, namely how strong the consumer is. What is your read on how the consumer might be this year, given that there could be further belt tightening with the cost of living crisis and higher interest rates in Australia?
You're 100% spot on. And as a business, we have never attempted to try and predict the macro market, because that's probably a recipe for going out of business. Like, it's not up to us to gamble and take pot shots at that. Our job is to build an efficient business that is capable of withstanding tough environments and growing when the opportunity is there to do so. And you would have seen us transition our business over the last few years into a very capital light business model, and also one where now the majority of our sales and profitability is derived from either selling our software or our subscription services. So whether it's our marketplace, where we're selling our platform, to having Kogan Mobile, the subscription service, or Kogan First, our loyalty program and subscription service. So that's our job. We're building an efficient business model that can withstand the wider economic environment no matter what it does, because predicting it is not something that is easy to do.